up Jamaica, the land of food and water. Blue mountains kiss the sky, sunshine get hotter. From dawn till dusk, hear the rhythm them chatter. Drums in a me heartbeat, culture get fatter. We little but we talawa, strong in a we frame. From maroons them days till today, still the same. Every smile tell a story, every street got a flame. From the yard to the world, everybody know the name. Island breeze, palm with skin, palm trees sway slow. History not the soil, still we grow. Positive words when me speak make the future glow. Jamaica in me soul and me nah let go. Big up Jamaica, land of food and water. We little but with all our sons and daughters. From Kingston go straight to Negril shoreline. Tourists fall in love with the culture and the vibe. Big up Jamaica, hear the whole world holla. Patwa on the tongue sound sweet like sugar. Music, love and laughter in every corner. Big up Jamaica now today and forever. Kingston city lights where the bass line born. Sound system shake the night till the early morn. Lyrics full of truth, no hate, no scorn. From trench town roots, global culture spawn. Downtown hustle, uptown breeze. Food smell sweet, jerk smoke through the trees. Ackee and saltfish, rice and peas. One bite tell you why people never wanna leave. Taxi horn sing harmony on the road. Every face got rhythm, heavy boat road. Speak life over the island, every word me so. Jamaica strong steel and the world know. Big up Jamaica, land of food and water. We little but with all our sons and daughters. From Kingston go straight to Negril shoreline. Tourists fall in love with the culture and the vibe. Big up Jamaica, hear the whole world holla. Patwa on the tongue sound sweet like sugar. Music, love and laughter in every corner. Big up Jamaica now today and forever. From Mochi waterfalls to the west coast sun. Negril sunset tell you the day well done. 7 Mile beach where the stress just run. Barefoot joy, yeah the vibe can't done. Tourists hear the talk and them smile right away. Walk one break ice, better than champagne. Culture so rich, no price could pay. Every dance, every chant make them wanna stay. Craft market colors bright like flame. Handmade dreams, each piece got a name. Positive speech lift the whole terrain. Jamaica shine bright through joy and pain. Big up Jamaica, land of food and water. We little but with all our sons and daughters. From Kingston go straight to Negril shoreline. Tourists fall in love with the culture and the vibe. Big up Jamaica,